Plum Island had one job, and it wasn't what most people think. Back in 1954, the US government established the Plum Island Animal Disease Center off the coast of Long Island. Officially, its mission was clear: study foreign animal pathogens. We're talking about highly contagious viruses that could absolutely devastate America's livestock and agriculture. Imagine a disease that could wipe out entire herds of cattle or flocks of chickens in a matter of weeks. That's what they were trying to prevent. It was a lab isolated by water for a very good reason, because the work being done inside couldn't risk a single mistake reaching the mainland. But its isolated, secretive nature fueled all sorts of wild theories. For years, people whispered about strange animal carcasses washing ashore, leading to the legend of the Montauk Monster. Was it a secret experiment gone wrong? Was the lab creating biological weapons? The rumors swirled, painting a picture straight out of a sci-fi horror movie. The truth, while less monstrous, is still fascinating. The primary focus was on developing vaccines and diagnostic tests for diseases like foot and mouth disease, which is incredibly infectious and could cripple the US economy if it ever got a foothold here. So why all the secrecy? Because the pathogens they worked with were, and still are, extremely dangerous. Plum Island operated under the highest biosafety levels, meaning strict protocols were in place to contain everything. Every person, every piece of equipment, and even the air itself went through rigorous decontamination procedures before leaving the facility. It wasn't about hiding monsters. It was about protecting the nation's food supply from invisible threats that could cause catastrophic damage. The island was a fortress of science, built to defend against microscopic enemies. Today, the facility is being decommissioned, and its research is moving to a new, even more advanced lab in Kansas. But the legacy of Plum Island remains. It was a place where science met paranoia and where real-world threats were battled in secret. It wasn't a lab for creating monsters, but a shield against agricultural disaster. It reminds us that sometimes the most important battles are the ones fought silently, on a tiny island against an enemy you can't even see. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into history's hidden stories.